Welcome back, traders. This is Neena from Ajayastromoneyguru, your go-to channel for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Today, we are diving into the world of sugar, where ICE raw sugar futures are making some interesting moves. Let's get started. ICE raw sugar futures have been on the rise, tracking the firm movement in oil prices. In Monday's session, these futures settled higher, driven not only by the surge in crude oil but also by the call from US sugar producers for reduced sugar imports from Mexico. The May delivery settled up at 22.72 cents per pound, marking a significant 0.9% increase. This momentum follows a 3.1% rise in prices observed last week, indicating a bullish trend in the market. Now, let's talk about Brazil. The weather conditions in Brazil's center-south region have dried up after recent rains, prompting more mills to kickstart their sugarcane processing operations for the season. However, despite this, sugar prices faced pressure last week due to higher sugar production reported by Brazil, the world's largest exporter. Unica reported a staggering 313% increase in sugar output compared to the same period last year. Rabobank weighed in on the situation, stating, "Brazil may experience a strong early harvest, which could bearish in the short term. However, there are concerns that harvested cane volumes may disappoint later in the year." Shifting our focus to the United States, sugar producers are advocating for a reduction in sugar imports from Mexico. The American Sugar Coalition is pushing for a 44% cut in Mexico's sugar exports to the US, potentially tightening supplies and boosting prices. Usher Group, the largest sugar company in the US, is facing logistical challenges as the collapse of a bridge has blocked access to its Baltimore sugar refinery. This disruption highlights the vulnerability of supply chains in the sugar market. In international news, Egypt has extended the deadline for offers in its latest tender for raw cane sugar. This move reflects the dynamic nature of global sugar trade and the efforts of various countries to secure their sugar supplies. According to a recent report by Fitch Solutions, decreased sugarcane plantings in key Indian states, coupled with anticipated production cuts in Brazil's center-south region, are providing support to sugar prices. However, the report also notes that Brazil's current strong production levels are limiting sugar's potential gains. Interestingly, this report contradicts the forecast by India's trade body, which predicts an improvement in the country's sugarcane production. The Indian Sugar and Bioenergy Manufacturers Association has raised its forecast for the current marketing year, suggesting a potential increase in refined sugar production. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the Commodity Futures Trading Commission data, which shows that speculators have reduced their net long position in raw sugar futures. This indicates a shift in market sentiment and could influence future price movements. That's all for today's sugar market update. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful analysis on commodities. Until next time, happy trading.